Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make a 99, which is a vanilla ice cream cone with a Cadbury Flake. You need double cream or heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, egg yolk, vanilla extract. Let's make the vanilla ice cream mixture first. Pour half of your heavy cream to a mixing bowl. Add the 6 egg yolks. Then mix them well. Pour the rest of your heavy cream to the mixture. Add the sugar, vanilla extract. Pour the milk to the mixture. When the water is boiling, place the mixing bowl on the boiling pan. Start the method of bain-marie and keep stirring. After 25 minutes, we make a stroke on my spatula and the surrounding fluid is not falling down. It means the custard forms. So it's time to stop bain-marie. Prepare some iced water in a bowl and have the vanilla ice cream bowl sit in it. Keep stirring the mixture until it cools down and then take it out. The texture is getting thicker. Cover the surface of the ice cream mixture like this by the plastic film. Try to leave no bubbles between the plastic film and the surface of the ice cream mixture. Keep it in the fridge for 4 hours. Let's check it. The texture is getting thicker. I'm blending some air to the mixture. You can stop until you see the size get doubled. Again, cover it with a plastic film. Try to remove all the bubbles between the gap. Keep it in the freezer for 2.5 hours. Let's check the ice cream. The top part is solid, but the bottom still soft. Blend the mixture for 4 to 5 minutes until you don't see any fluid at the bottom. Keep it in the freezer when you prepare the flake and the cone because homemade ice cream melts faster. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all the ingredients. My recipe is enough to make 10 scoops of ice cream. Each ice cream cone has 2 scoops of ice cream and 1/3 of flake bar. So one ice cream cone cost me $2.30. Thanks for watching my video.